Hey guys, this is Dave Vass with Holy Cow Apps, and in this video I'm just going to give you a quick demonstration of building an app. This is an extremely important video for you to watch because there's just little things that I want to show you that will make your life so much easier when you're using our software. Now, I want to say that our vision is to create the most simple, easy to use app builder software on the market. We want you to have a lot of fun. We wanted to make it cool, and I think you're going to see that it is, in our opinion, it's so much easier than any other software out there. But even though it's extremely easy, it's still really important for you to see me build an app so that you understand how the software works. So I've logged into my account as a new user. This is your profile. You can change your profile at any time. I'm going to click on Go to App Builder because this is the first time building an app. You're going to notice that the first step you're going to choose a template. Now I want to stress that our software has been created for small business owners, for local business owners. So if you're a chiropractor, plumber, dentist, I mean, if you're a local business, our software is perfect for you. We totally believe that local business owners should have a mobile app. The reason is that you can get your existing customers to download the app so that they can easily get in touch with you. They carry your company with them everywhere they go. You can get in touch with them. We believe that a mobile app is extremely powerful for local business owners, for small business owners, in order to increase their ROI on existing customers. There are so many things you can do, and think of it as a communication tool. This opens up the communication between your existing customers and you, and you're going to see that in a second. So I'm going to choose a template. I'm going to pretend I'm a chiropractor. If you don't see your business niche here, just choose blank template, but I'm going to pretend I'm a chiropractor. So it just takes a little bit for it to load. So you just got to wait as it loads the template. Now these templates are professionally designed templates that we have already created for you. You can actually use the images, the background that's already there. If you don't, you can easily swap them for ones that you want. So it's already, we actually came out with a template, a layout of the app that we think works for most business owners. See, most business owners want to use their app and they want to make it easy for their customers to call them. So this first tab, if you just go over here, you can put in your contact number. It's a click to call tab, so you just enter in your contact. You click save and it saves it. So that now maybe you want to call that tab, maybe you want to call it call instead of contact. You click save. Anytime you make a change, you just click save and it changes it. Notice I didn't even click on it. I just scrolled over and right away up comes the toolbox to change it. So that's that's so easy to use. Directions. And by the way, I'll get into the background here because you know, you can put your logo in here, you can change the background, whatever you want to do. So directions, we have a map already loaded, so let's just say that my address is 2000 Pegasus Drive, Calgary, so I'm going to click save. Right away, it loads the marker right where your address is. Now you can scroll over here to edit the address right here, just put it in 2000 Pegasus Road. I'm going to click save. Notice how it changes it. Now I just want to caution you guys, you don't even have to click. You just scroll over the segment and you can actually just, as soon as you scroll over it, you can edit it over here. Be careful not to scroll over it and then scroll over another segment as you're going to the edit box. You always want to just scroll over it and then go straight to the edit box to change it. Maybe I want to, you know, take that one out. I click save. So as you can see, just really easy to use. Now I'm going to click on the, and if you want to edit the background image, you just simply click on the background image. You do have to click on the background image and you can edit it. You can load your images over here. We're going to get into that actually right away here. So that gives you, you know, you got your call button, your directions button, super easy to edit. You have an appointment form as well. This appointment form, we thought most business owners, depending on the kind of business, you might like for your customers to be able to set up an appointment. Now they're just going to be able to enter in their name, email, phone, you know, when they should call, comment that they can send, and a submit button. So, you know, the form's already set up for you. What do you have to do? You just have to click on the background. Click on the background where I'm at, click on it, and then put in the email that you want the leads to be sent to. This is a very important step. Otherwise, when one of your customers fills out this form on your app, you're not going to get it. You want to make sure you put in your email by clicking the background and then stick in your email, click save to make sure that you get the leads. So there you go. You got your click to call, you got your directions, you got your appointment. It's already set up for you, super easy to use. It's on the home page. So now you're like, hey, I like that image. I think it's cool. Works for me as a chiropractor. Maybe it doesn't work for you. So if it doesn't work, you want to upload your own image. All you do is you just click this X button up here to get rid of it. Now, I use this company called iStock Photo to find images. Maybe you already have an image. All I did was type in chiropractor. I didn't pay for this, but I'm going to show you how easy it is. I'm now going to upload a image. So I'm going to go to my images, click on image. I'm going to click on add new images. I'm going to click on choose file. I'm going to go to my desktop, scroll down, go to the image right here. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to say image size as background because I want to use this image as a background. If I wanted to use it as a logo, I could say that. If I wanted to use it in the photo gallery, I could put there. But I'm going to say image size as background. Again, just another simple step. You don't have to figure out how to resize your image. So I click resize, I wait, and the software goes to work, and boom, your image appears up here. I'm going to click this X button here. I'm going to drag the image down, and boom, it appears. But notice how the buttons down here disappeared. Well, the only reason they disappeared is you have to click on the image, you have to go over here, and you have to say save as background. Very important step. You can even save it as transparent, but I'm going to say no. I'm going to click save. Look at that. Look how easy that is. I get so excited when something's so easy to use. So you set your background, your image as background. Now all your buttons appeared once again. Okay, so there you have it. That's how easy it is. Now maybe you want to upload a logo. Well, you know, maybe you don't even want, let's go to tools, and I'm going to show you something really cool. If you drag in a text box, you can actually drag a text box in, and maybe you don't even want your logo. Maybe you just put in, you know, your company name, and you can choose the font as, you know, bold. Let's say the size is 20. Let's say the font color is more of a red. You have to click OK, by the way, on the font color right here. You have to click OK. Pay attention to that. You say OK. Page alignments, you know, actually, let's say text alignment is center. And you can even do an on-click thing. So if you wanted somebody to be able to click it, we're just going to click save. Oh, let's say company name. We're going to click save. So it changed to company name. As you can, I must have done something there. So if you go over here, let's just go back to bold, font size 20, color. We're going to choose red, or, you know, kind of red. We're going to click OK, and then we're going to click save. There you go. See how it changes it right here? So you can actually expand this. You can do what you want. But maybe, you know, you're like, okay, I don't want text. I want to upload my logo. So you have a company logo. So let's go back to images, click on images, and I'm going to just upload a new image here. So I'm going to upload from Dropbox. Let's just go to and pretend that, holy cow, let's upload, we're going to set it as a logo. So that's my logo. I'm going to click resize again. Super easy to do. It's simple, and you resize it, and look what happens. It appears up here. So it says wait. So I'm going to say thank you. So I'm going to grab that logo that I just uploaded. I'm going to pull it in. Oh, I think I have to pull it a little bit further down. There we go. So I pull it down, and it uploads the logo right there. So, and I can actually adjust the logo however big, so maybe I want it just like that. Now you can upload, obviously, you know, a logo with a clear, transparent background if you'd like. And it's so easy to do. I mean, look at that, guys. Boom, I drag it in. There's your logo. You have a professional looking app, extremely nice. and everything's done in minutes. So that is the home page, setting up your home page, your directions page, your appointment, your call. Pretty much everything that a local business owner needs. And we didn't fill our app software with a whole bunch of bells and whistles. You know why? Because we wanted to keep it simple. We wanted you to have a professional, customized app that's simple to use. Your customers love it, and you know, it's not complicated. So let's take a look now. If you go to tools, you notice that there's a whole bunch of tools at the top that you can use. Maybe in your more section, let's say if you went to your more page, maybe you want to call this page video. So you just scroll down here. Notice how I just scrolled over here. I went down and I want to call this video. So I'm going to click save. Oh, sorry, I went over the wrong one. You always have to make sure you're on the right one. I want to still call that notification. So I'm going to click save. I'm going to go back to the more. Make sure you always scroll over the right one. I'm going to click video. So I'm going to drag a video, so a YouTube. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to drag this in, and then I'm going to click on it. So notice how you can enter in a YouTube URL. So let's just go to YouTube. YouTube.com, and you guys, maybe as local business owners, you have some videos that you want your customers to be able to see. This is a great way to just have a little YouTube channel. So I'm just going to grab any YouTube video. I'm not going to, you know, spend a lot of time. I'm going to just grab the URL from up here, copy it. I'm going to go back, paste the URL. I'm going to click save. And the video appears right there. Boom, you have a video gallery. Maybe though you don't want to have a video gallery. Maybe you're the type of business, you're a renovation company or something like that, or whatever. So maybe you want to take away the video gallery. Maybe you want to call this, let's call this, let's say it is photo, or let's just call it gallery. Let's just call it gallery. So I'm going to click save, it's gallery. Let's go and scroll over to your photo gallery tool. I'm going to drag this down into the phone. I'm going to now click on it, and then I can actually drag in, oh, it looks like there's an image that was saved there. I can drag in images from my photo gallery. So you can upload an image to your photo gallery. So let's just upload something here. Let's go to desktop. I just have a weight loss picture. Let's upload that. So I'm going to upload this. I'm going to drag this in as a... So notice how you can drag it in. I'm going to drag... This was from an earlier demo that I did. I'm going to drag that in. So notice how you can drag them in and it just appears like a photo gallery. Now if somebody clicked on it with their finger, it would actually go over and show the full image. So you can actually create a photo gallery just by dragging it in and then uploading your images. So there you have it. I'm not going to go through all the tools, but you can check them all out. They're really easy to use. If you want to put in a new tab down here, you just drag the tab onto the phone, and then you can rename that tab. You know, you could rename it video or whatever, right? So you just click on that and rename it video. Now, you shouldn't put too many tabs down here, but you can do that. So now I'm going to go to chat. We don't have a lot of time here, so I'm going to go to chat. You don't even have to do anything. We recommend you leave the chat there because it's already set up for you, and it'll make it easier for you to get approved by Apple. But you can just leave that there. It's already set up. You don't have to do anything. And then you go to notification, and your news feed is right here ready for you to use. Again, you don't have to do anything. I'm going to show you after you publish it how the news feed in the chat works. You go to gallery, of course, we got your photo gallery, your video if you want to do that. I'm going to just cancel that. So there you have it. Your home, it's all set up. Your logo's pulled in. You have it exactly the way you want it. Of course, this is just an example. You would actually pay for the photo if you wanted to use a photo from iStock Photo. Everything's ready. So now in this next video, I'm going to show you what you can do once you click publish. Now you want to actually edit and title this project. So let's just call this test, and we're going to click set, and it saves as test. So you want to obviously edit and call your project something, and then you want to click save. So we're going to save it, and next video